Have you ever wondered what the future holds for the red planet Mars? Imagine, if you will, a bustling city, not on Earth, but millions of miles away. A city under the watchful gaze of Elon Musk, a man with a vision so audacious it borders on science fiction. A city where the air is thin and the landscape alien. What does it take to transplant humanity to Mars? And what would life look like there? Let's embark on a journey that takes us to the future, to a city on Mars. Enter Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX and Tesla, with ambitious plans for Mars. Elon Musk, a name that is synonymous with innovation and audacity, has set his sights beyond our earthly confines. He's the driving force behind SpaceX, the company that's revolutionizing space travel, and Tesla, which is leading the electric vehicle revolution. But it's not just about building better rockets or electric cars. It's about a vision of humanity becoming a multi-planetary species with Mars as the next frontier. Musk's fascination with the red planet is no secret. He's been vocal about his plans to colonize Mars, to make humans a spacefaring civilization. It's not just about exploration for him. It's about survival, ensuring that humanity has a backup plan in case Earth becomes uninhabitable. He envisions a future where we could hop on a spaceship just as easily as we hop on an airplane today, where we could start anew on a different planet, where we could have Martian cities bustling with life. His vision is audacious, ambitious, and some might say impossible. But then again, so were electric cars and reusable rockets once. Musk is reshaping our understanding of what's possible, pushing the boundaries of human potential, and inspiring us to dream bigger. Musk is not just dreaming, he has a timeline. Elon Musk's plans for Mars are not just random thoughts, they follow a timeline. As visionary as they may seem, each idea is a carefully calculated step on a journey to make Mars a second home for humanity. Let's rewind to September 2016. This is when Musk first unveiled his ambitious plan to colonize Mars. He announced the Interplanetary Transport System, a concept for a fully reusable spacecraft. This marked the beginning of SpaceX's journey to Mars. Fast forward to 2 years, September 2018. Here, Musk introduced the world to Starship, a stainless steel behemoth envisioned to carry the first humans to Mars. Starship was a refinement of the Interplanetary Transport System and became the centerpiece of Musk's Mars colonization plan. In February 2020, SpaceX announced its intentions to send its first cargo mission to Mars as early as 2022. This mission, known as Mars Cargo, aims to confirm water resources, identify hazards, and establish initial power, mining, and life support infrastructure. Then comes the most awaited event, the first crewed Mars mission, proposed for 2024. The mission's goal is to build a propellant depot and prepare for future crew flights. The crewed missions will continue every 26 months, coinciding with every time Earth and Mars come closest to each other. By 2050, Musk envisions a self-sustaining city on Mars. This city would not be a mere outpost, but a bustling metropolis, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It's a grand vision, to be sure, but if anyone can make it a reality, it's Elon Musk. From the first successful landing of Starship to the planned human missions, each step brings us closer to the future city on Mars. Each milestone, no matter how small, is a giant leap towards making life multiplanetary. And with each passing day, the red planet becomes less a distant dream and more a tangible future. Mars is not Earth. Its harsh atmosphere presents unique challenges. Our neighboring planet Mars isn't particularly welcoming. The atmospheric pressure is less than 1% of Earth's, and the thin air is mostly carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. It's cold, with temperatures often dropping to -80 degrees Celsius at night. The air is also thin, meaning conventional aircraft can't fly, and parachutes are less effective for slowing down spacecraft. But the challenges don't stop at the atmosphere. Mars soil is also problematic. It contains a toxic chemical called perchlorate, which can interfere with thyroid function in humans. And then there's the issue of radiation. Mars' thin atmosphere offers little protection from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. But for every challenge, there is a solution waiting to be discovered. Let's consider Elon Musk's approach to combat the thin and unbreathable Martian atmosphere. Musk's SpaceX plans to use technologies like life support systems and potentially terraforming, a process of deliberately modifying the atmosphere, temperature, surface topography, or ecology of a planet to be similar to those of Earth. For the toxic soil, scientists are exploring ways to clean the perchlorates from Martian soil or use them to their advantage. Perchlorates could be used to make rocket fuel or even breathable oxygen. And as for the radiation, SpaceX is considering a few options. One is to build habitats and cities underground, using the Martian soil as a natural radiation shield. Another is to develop materials and technologies that can protect humans and equipment from radiation. All of these solutions are ambitious, and none are guaranteed to work. But they represent the kind of forward-thinking, problem-solving attitude that is driving humanity's quest to become a multi-planetary species. So yes, the Martian atmosphere and environment are harsh, filled with challenges that make it a tough place for humans to live. But with the right technology and ingenuity, these challenges are not insurmountable. Indeed, they might just be the stepping stones to our future as interplanetary explorers. The Martian atmosphere is harsh but not insurmountable. Imagine stepping out of a spaceship onto the red soil of Mars, and there it is, a city. The future is a fascinating concept, isn't it? Especially when we're talking about the future on Mars. Elon Musk's vision is to create a self-sustaining city on this otherworldly landscape. And as far-fetched as it may seem, it is slowly becoming a reality. We're not just talking about a few scattered habitats. We're talking about a bustling metropolis with skyscrapers, parks, and all the amenities you'd expect in a city here on Earth. But of course, life on Mars comes with its own unique challenges and opportunities. Imagine, instead of concrete structures, buildings made from Martian soil using advanced 3D printing technology. These structures would be designed to withstand the harsh Martian environment, and at the same time, they'd be sustainable, making use of what's readily available on the planet. The city would need to be powered, and Musk's vision involves solar power as the primary source of energy. Large fields of solar panels would dot the landscape, harnessing the power of the sun to keep the city running. But what about day-to-day life? Well, Musk envisions a city where residents work primarily on maintaining the city and conducting research. The Martian lifestyle would require a pioneering spirit, coupled with the willingness to live in a world that's vastly different from our own. And speaking of differences, let's not forget about the Martian environment. With a thin atmosphere and low gravity, life on Mars would indeed be a unique experience. But with these challenges come opportunities for innovation and exploration. The potential for discovery is immense. From understanding the history of Mars to potentially uncovering signs of past life, living on Mars would provide countless opportunities for scientific advancement. Life on Mars might be different, but it holds a promise of a new beginning. With every challenge that we overcome, we're one step closer to making this vision a reality. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be calling Mars our second home. So, what does the near future hold for Mars? As we look ahead, the immediate future of Mars, as seen through the eyes of Elon Musk, is both ambitious and achievable. Musk's immediate plans involve sending more Starship missions to Mars, each one building on the success of the last. These missions aim to establish a reliable cargo route, a vital lifeline between Earth and Mars, ensuring the necessary supplies and equipment to support future human missions. But it doesn't stop there. The next phase is the arrival of the first crewed mission. The brave pioneers on this journey will be the first to set foot on the Martian soil, marking a monumental moment in human history. They'll start building temporary habitats and conduct vital research to pave the way for future settlers. As we move further into the future, the focus will shift to building a self-sustaining city on Mars. Picture this: a city teeming with life, with habitats protected by domes, where humans can live, work, and play. Imagine skyscrapers piercing the Martian skyline, connected by an efficient transportation network. Picture greenhouses stretching as far as the eye can see, producing food and oxygen for the settlers. It's a vision straight out of science fiction, yet it's a future that's within our grasp. The city won't be built in a day, of course. It will take time, resources, and a lot of hard work. But with each passing year, the dream of a city on Mars becomes less of a fantasy and more of a reality. The city will grow, slowly but surely expanding to accommodate more and more settlers. These advancements won't just be limited to Mars, though. The technology and knowledge we gain from this endeavor will have profound implications back on Earth, potentially leading to breakthroughs in fields like energy, transportation, and environmental science. So as we look to the near future, it's clear that Mars is more than just a red dot in the night sky. It's the next frontier, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. As we stand on the brink of a new era, Mars is no longer just a planet, it's a possibility. From a dream to a possibility, the future of Mars is unfolding right before our eyes. We've journeyed through Elon Musk's vision, explored timelines and challenges, and peeked into a future where Mars isn't just a distant planet, but a second home. We've looked at the possibility of building cities on Mars, transforming its barren landscape into a bustling cradle of life. As we gaze upon the night sky, the red dot that is Mars might soon become our second home. The future is indeed exciting,